Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku.co daily FX market review for the trading day ending Tuesday, May 5th. Firstly to the Euro US dollar, and the second last candle on the chart here is the one that has completed trading, and we see the emergence of a white body candle following some selling coming off the breakout above the Ichimoku cloud, a bullish breakout, a lack of follow through, didn't have any confidence in the move. The trend then changed to the downside with the market finding support at the top of the Ichimoku cloud today, with the buyers taking back control of the market. And we're seeing the effect of that now in the new session, with the trend actually changing to the upside, and we have a candle that's making a higher high and a higher low, and the buyers are very strong in the market at the moment, bouncing off the 111.60 level of support. Very good opportunity for the traders to test to the swing high here at 112.89, and a very real possibility of this market eventually testing up to the 114.59 level over the next couple of days. Now, the market trading higher would be in line with a bullish market in all three timeframes, with the current price action above the Ichimoku cloud, the Kijun-sen, the pink line, and the Tenkan-sen, the green line here. And all of this is now supported by the Chikou span being above the corresponding price action, so highlighting the strong upside momentum that we have in this market in a bigger picture time frame. Now, just looking at the hourly chart here, and we saw for the previous day's trading the market opened below the middle pivot point level, trading down through that first pivot point support level in a strongly bearish manner, testing to the second pivot point level, and then being rejected from there on a candle where the body turned white and the buyers took control by closing up towards the high. That then set the market up for the rally. It suggested that the strong selling and the strong downside momentum that we saw previously in the market was gone. That rally then tested all the way through the Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen indicators, and all the way through to the top of the cloud, where the resistance there coincided with the first pivot point resistance level, with the market unable to breach that area and unable to close beyond that area for the remainder of the trading day. For today, we've seen the market open within the Ichimoku cloud for the first 4 or 5 hours, and then eventually break out on a strong bullish candle, and then the market testing following that breakout to the first pivot point resistance level at 112.48, and at the same time finding support at the Tenkan-sen at 112.11. They're going to be very important areas at the moment, and in this current candle it is developing, we are seeing those areas act as resistance and support. A good opportunity here for the market to trade higher if we can breach the 112.48 level, possibility of market trading to 113.13. Next to the Aussie dollar, US dollar, and the candle we're analysing here that has finished trading is the second last one here on the chart, and a candle where the buyers have come into the market very, very strongly. Large white body candle opening down very close to the low, closing up very close to the high. So the buyers have been in control for most of the day, very strong commitment, and importantly, we've seen the Kijun-sen indicator at the 78-cent level. Very important level has been 78 cents, finding support at that level, and at the Kijun-sen, the market bouncing off there after 3 days testing that level and unable to breach through that level. The buyers closing above the Ichimoku cloud suggests that there's a good possibility of the sentiment in this longer term time frame to change to the upside. What we want to see following this strong breakout, a strong follow through, and that's what we didn't see the previous time when the market broke out up above there. And very often I like to see the confirmation with that follow through, and that candle there was a very weak candle in terms of the buyers. The sellers took back control away from the buyers, and that led to this very strong downtrend that ended up trading back within the cloud down to the support level. Today the breakout, and we are seeing some strong follow through at the moment, but it all depends on how the market closes for tomorrow. I'd like to see a strong bullish close, and preferably up above the 80-cent level, and certainly testing through to that resistance at 80.65 in a strong bullish manner. So the buyers are going to have to be solid here to continue this trend to the upside. Any downside could see support coming in at the Tenkan-sen, which is what we're seeing at the moment, 79.18, or then just down below there at 78.96 at the top of the Ichimoku cloud. On the hourly chart, here we're seeing the market trading in a fairly strong bullish manner up above the middle pivot level, finding support around the Tenkan-sen indicator, just testing through there and then breaking out to the upside with a very strong bullish candle, and that area there at 79.44 at the Tenkan-sen is likely to hold as very strong support for the market moving forward. At the moment we're seeing buying coming in this current candle that is forming, potential for the market to test to the first pivot point resistance level at 79.98, and that's very close to that round number 80 cents. So that's going to be a very, very important test for the Aussie dollar US dollar on the hourly charts.